Welcome back to LGS Cars. The future doesn't always arrive with noise. Sometimes it arrives in silence. A quiet street, neon lights reflecting off wet asphalt. The city is alive, yet there's a moment, just a brief moment, where everything slows down. And then it appears, a compact silhouette moving effortlessly through the night. No engine roar, no aggressive presence, just precision, confidence, and something undeniably modern. Its LED lights slice through the darkness like a signature of what's to come. The body, clean, aerodynamic, purposeful. Every line feels intentional, every detail engineered for a world that is rapidly changing. And when it glides past you, you realize something. This isn't just another electric car. This is a statement. Introducing the BYD Atto 2, a bold new compact EV from BYD. Designed to challenge expectations, redefine affordability, and bring next-generation technology into everyday driving. Design, compact form, premium presence. The BYD Atto 2 2026 proves that small doesn't mean basic. Exterior highlights. Sleek, modern front fascia with closed EV grille. Sharp LED headlights with futuristic light signature. Sculpted body lines for improved aerodynamics. Floating roof design for a premium look 17 to 18-inch alloy wheels. A design that feels urban, sporty, and refined. Dimensions, estimated. Length, approximately 4,300 millimeters. Width, approximately 1,830 millimeters. Height, approximately 1,650 millimeters. Wheelbase, approximately 2,620 millimeters, compact enough for city life, yet spacious enough for everyday comfort. Interior technology meets simplicity. Step inside the BYD Atto 2 and you immediately feel the difference. Cabin experience clean, minimalist dashboard layout, floating center console, smart storage solutions, technology 12.8 to 15.6-inch rotating infotainment display, fully digital instrument cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto voice control system, OTA over the air, updates, comfort features, premium seat materials, eco-leather options, ambient lighting, spacious seating for 5 passengers, quiet cabin environment designed to feel modern, intuitive, and premium. Performance, smooth, instant, efficient. The BYD Atto 2 2026 is built for real-world driving. Powertrain estimated, single electric motor power output, approximately 150 to 180 horsepower front-wheel drive, FWD. Driving experience, instant torque for quick city acceleration, smooth and silent ride, easy maneuverability in tight spaces, balanced suspension for comfort. Acceleration 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, approximately 7.5 to 9 seconds, perfect for urban performance and daily usability. Battery and range, built for everyday confidence. Battery blade battery technology, BYD signature. Capacity, approximately 45 to 55 kilowatt hours. Range up to 400 to 480 kilometers, WLTP. Charging fast charging, 30 to 80% in approximately 30 minutes. Home charging support, efficiency, optimized energy consumption, regenerative braking system, designed to eliminate range anxiety for daily use. Smart features, connected and intelligent. The BYD Atto 2 integrates smart technology seamlessly. Key features, AI voice assistant, smartphone app connectivity, digital key support, real-time navigation driver, assistance adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, 360-degree camera system, enhancing both safety and convenience. Market position, the smart entry EV, the BYD Atto 2 targets the fast-growing compact EV segment. Competitors, MG4, EV Hyundai Kona, electric Wuling Binguo, EV key advantages, competitive pricing potential, strong feature-to-price ratio, modern design and technology, practical range for daily driving, a strong contender for first-time EV buyers. Final verdict, small car, big disruption. The BYD Atto 2 delivers a clear message. EVs don't need to be expensive to feel premium. Compact cars can still be powerful and smart. With stylish modern design, advanced technology, smooth electric performance, practical range and usability. This is not just another compact EV. This is the EV that makes the future accessible. And in a world rapidly shifting toward electrification, this might be the car that brings everyone along for the ride.